Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Jaguar I Pace. Right, phone. If we go to phone there, you've got options, recents, contacts. Can't really see anything, so we'll go to settings. The two cogs there, settings. You've got phone settings, settings for Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, Bluetooth settings. We'll go to Bluetooth settings. Pair new device, paired devices. That's what I want. Paired devices. Now you've got all these. I want to delete these. So we'll go to there, click on it. You get a new menu. See, that was paired for audio and phone. I want to forget the device. Again, we'll just do this. So highlight a phone user. The new menu comes up, forget device. Gone again. So again, highlight, new menu, forget device. Gone. That's it.